If you are in the market for a new roof, it may be helpful to know some of the terms and conditions that your roofing contractor may use during the estimating or installation process. Let's start at the top. The peak of a roof is called the ridge. Triangular roof sections, like shown here, are referred to as gable roofs or gable ends. The sections along the gable ends of a roof are referred to as the rake. Here is another gable end and accompanying rakes. As the name implies, a valley is the intersection of two downward sloping roof planes. The valley collects and drains water from both roof planes. Areas where roofs intersect with walls are referred to as high side tie-in. While we are highlighting this section of the roof, notice that there is another ridge. So depending on the geometry of the roof, a home may have multiple ridges. The eave of a building runs along the perimeter. All of these highlighted sections are eaves. Dormers are a very popular design element and feature several conditions. Note the ridge, valley, rake, and high side tie-in that we have already highlighted. Sloped roof sections that connect to a wall, such as shown on this dormer, are referred to as a rake tie-in. There are similar details at the chimney. The detail along the front of the chimney is also a high side tie-in. Just around the corner on the sloped section would be another rake tie-in. Hips are similar to ridges except they slope downward. Proper installation of the details shown in this video are important for weather tightness and overall roof performance. Be sure to work with a contractor that specializes in metal roofing installations.